Hello everyone, welcome back to Agri Farming. Today we are back with how to grow avocado in containers. Growing avocado is simple and satisfying project for beginners and experienced gardeners from kids to adults. Avocado is one of the easiest trees to grow from seed. Growing avocado in containers can start with a pit, but it is the most successful and healthy tree. It is not suitable for cooler climates to grow outside where the temperature is likely to drop below 10 degrees Celsius. Now, let's get into the different varieties of avocado. Some of the different varieties of avocado are Chocolate, Gwen, Hass, Pinkerton, Ferti, Reed, Zutano, Bacon, Cleopatra. How to prepare containers for growing avocado. If you are planning to grow avocado tree in a pot for a lifetime, choose a terracotta pot that is at least 10 inches across and twice as deep as the roots, with drainage holes in the bottom right from the start. For a loose, fast-draining composition, use potting mix with compost blended with sand. Good drainage is key to good growth. Avocado trees have a relatively shallow root system. If you fully soaked for more than 2 days, the roots will rot and the plant will die. Taking care of avocado plant in container. The first point is temperature and light. Avocados are very sensitive plants with some specific weather conditions. They do best in warm temperatures, ideally between 16 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, which make them excellent indoor plants. They will enjoy full sun and may benefit from a bit of supplemental light during a winter months. The second point is watering. Trees typically need to be watered 2 or 3 times a week. As the roots reach out into the bulk soil, more water can be needed, means once a week after a year. When watering the tree, let the soil soak well and then allow it to dry out somewhat before watering again. Like most of the plants, you don't want the tree to get too dry. Check the soil before watering each time to make sure it is dried somewhat from around the roots. If the soil can hold the impression of a hand when squeezed, it has an adequate water. The next is soil. Avocado trees thrive in well-aerated and loose soil. In particular, the main soil types that encourage desired fruit growth are limestones, sandy loam, and decomposed granite. The suitable soil pH of avocado tree is around 6 to 6.5. Make the mound 1 to 2 feet high and 3 to 5 feet around. Don't give gravel or anything else like planting media in the hole. How much the root get into the bulk soil will result in a better tree season. The next is fertilizing. For young avocado trees, the recommended composition to fertilize is half to 1 pound of actual nitrogen per tree per year. You can spread it out over several applications as long as it totals 1 to half pound of nitrogen. Zinc is another important nutrient of avocado trees. Now, let me tell you the step-by-step how to plant avocado in container. The first step is remove the pit and clean it carefully. That is, save the seed. When you cut open a ripe avocado, scoop out the seed carefully, rinse off with warm water and for about a minute to eliminate mold and bacteria potential. Make sure you do not remove the brown seed cover. The second step is make sure which end is up and which end is down. Press the seed in water until it grows roots. The slightly pointier end is the top and the flat end is the bottom. The third is use 3 toothpicks to suspend it. Punch the sides of the seed with 3 toothpicks that will hold the seed up to so that it doesn't sink into the water. Stick them at a slight downward angle when you set this over a glass into the avocado seed. Space evenly around the avocado. Fourth step is, after the avocado seed is sprout, transplant the seeds into a pot. After transplanting your avocado to your pot with required soil, watch carefully and water it. Provide full sun and frequent watering with an occasional deep soak when the soil becomes dry. The next step is pruning and trimming. When the stem reaches 12 inch tall, pick off the top 2 sets of leaves. When the plant grows another 6 inches, pinch out the two newest sets of leaves on top. The last but not the least topic is wintering. Baby avocado trees can kick it outdoors in summer, but if you live anywhere where it gets cooler than 24 degrees Celsius, you will need to bring them back into indoors in the fall or winter before the temperatures fall. Harvesting of avocado fruits. When your plant begins to set fruit, it may set a huge number at first. It will almost likely drop a large number of these fruits, so don't panic. It is perfectly normal. Additionally, unlike many fruits, avocado do not ripen on the plant. Once the fruit reaches a mature size, pick one and let it sit on a shelf for a few days. If they shrivel up or never become soft, it isn't time. Pick another couple of fruits every week until they are ripened. At that point, pick as you desire and leave what you don't want on the tree. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and please ring the bell button to notify you whenever new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.